In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Asana. Whether you're managing projects independently or collaborating with a team, being able to seamlessly add files to your tasks is crucial for maintaining organization and ensuring everyone has the necessary information at their fingertips. We'll go through two simple methods to attach files in Asana, starting with the more traditional upload option and then moving on to a quick drag and drop method. First, let's begin with method 1, uploading files directly to a task. To get started, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the specific task where you want to attach a file. Simply selecting and opening the task details will prepare you for the next steps. Next, focus on the task details section where you'll find a paperclip icon. This little icon is your gateway to attaching files. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice several options popping up for uploading. Asana gives you the flexibility to choose your file from various sources. Whether it's right from your computer or cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box, you have the flexibility to pull files from wherever you store them. After you've selected your file, it's time to upload and save it. The file will then be attached to the task, making it instantly accessible to everyone who has access to that task. This feature ensures that all your collaborators are synced with the most up-to-date information, fostering stronger collaboration and minimizing miscommunications. Now let's move on to method 2, the drag and drop option, a faster and equally convenient approach. For this method, you can literally take a file from your computer and drop it right into the task in Asana. Simply locate the file you want to attach, and with a simple drag and drop gesture, place it into the open task details area. This technique is particularly handy if you're already working with files on your desktop and need a quick way to share them with your team. And there you have it, 2 efficient methods to upload files onto Asana tasks. Understanding these options allows you to pick the method that best suits your workflow or even switch between them based on your current needs. Mastering these skills can help streamline your project management tasks, ultimately leading to better organization and improved team productivity. Keep these techniques in your toolkit as you continue to navigate your projects on Asana. Thank you for watching and happy task managing.